Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Roblox account on phone. So first of all, just open up your Safari application and then search for Roblox web. You can actually head on and log in using the Roblox or rather using the Safari and log in over here using your Roblox account. So click on roblox.com using this and head on over to your login. So now once you're logged in to enter this device, it is all the way possible for you to delete your account because it's basically the same layout as if you were going to use a PC version, and it's going to be on settings over on the settings of Roblox over here on the website version, just the same as you would do on PC. Head on to settings and head on to account and head on over the very bottom to delete your account. Now if rather in the event that doesn't work, you could actually head on and click on help, and that's going to head you to the Roblox help center. And what you actually need to do with your account, well, click over here, I need help with my account. And what you want to do is you would actually want to delete your account. You can actually head on how to delete my account, which is one of the options over here on the very bottom of the screen. Click on how to delete my account. So click on this option, how to delete your account over on Roblox. Of course, you can actually head on and cancel your payment or membership, but over here you could actually use or fill in a support form so that you may basically fill in the information and how to contact Roblox itself and their management and the admins, and basically let them delete your account for you so that you may have much more better user experience on deleting your account through phone. So that's it for this video. That's how you can delete Roblox account on mobile. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.